Good afternoon from Grand Valley Farm. It's February 13th, 2025, and it's about 1:30, and it's snowing. I think it says 21 degrees out. I'm heading down to Grain and Pigs. Yeah, it's really coming down now. These little pigs there, they like to be under the hay. They don't like to be in the house. I just fed the chickens some more food. They're happy. These goats are wanting grain. They'll have to wait till a little bit later. Yeah, I should have shut the door of the barn. Got a little snow in here. But I normally keep it open during the day just to let a ventilation go through here. Oh yeah, I got 2 eggs from the chickens, and I had forgot 2 eggs. So Harold got some frozen egg snacks before I give him his grain. He loves eggs. And the little guy's fighting over grain. Edith is happy. And Molly, she wants some attention. And JD, the billy goat, is in his house. Oh yes, this water dish already froze when I just broke it a few hours ago. Okay, I got the ice broke in the water dishes. So anyway, everyone's happy right now. Except for you can hear Bella in there. She's crying, but she wants some grain. She'll get her grain a little bit later. Anyway, it's really cold out here. So I can go back up the house and take these eggs in. I got the coffee gun here. So they're not frozen too. Yeah, can't wait until spring.